from all across the diaspora. My name is Oteano, also known as King Solomon, and today I'm going to teach you about simple machines. A simple machine is something that helps it do work easily. They don't have engines or battery, but they use force. They use force to help us lift, push, or pull things. There's 6 kinds of simple machines. Let's check them out. First, the lever. A lever is a stiff bar and it rests on a fulcrum. If you push on one side, it lifts something on the other. Next, the wheel and axle. It's a wheel attached to a rod in the center. When the wheel turns, the axle turns too. This is how cars and bicycles move. Next is inclined plane. It's a flat surface that's tilted like a ramp. Instead of lifting something up, you could slide it up slowly. Now we have the wedge. It's like 2 inclined planes back to back. Wedges are used to cut or split things. Number 5 is the screw. It's like an inclined plane. We wrapped around a pool. Screws hold things together like a light bulb. And last but not least, the pulley. It uses a wheel and a rope to help you pull something heavy. Construction workers use this to move stuff high. Bye guys, make sure you like and subscribe and buy some merch at africanair.com right here. You can buy bricks like this and all other kinds. Bye!